Hi guys, welcome back to Sweet Creature Channel. And we are here at Cardboard Creations, and I have basically everything you would want. So right here we have everything. 3D glasses because I have double-sided tape, stencils. Wait till you guys see this. Well, all my papers and stuff. And look inside. There's a hint I'm rich. If I had $30 each month, I'd be rich. Okay. And I have a stapler. I have a pen. I have some scissors, and we're going to start. So let's scoot that to the side. And we have this cute little box here. And what we're going to be making is something so adorable. First, we cut off the flaps. We're going to cut off the flaps of both. That's what it looked like. Hang on. Okay, and we're going to cut off all the flaps. So let's get started. And we have our box here, no flaps. As you can see, it's really good looking. And we're going to be doing, let me see how this shape would go. Okay, so we're going to be going next, we're going to be going on it, and we're going to be, yes, do this, so the project doesn't look too bad. And we're going to be doing this half. You have to do this in half, so. Have it split in half, and I'm going to do half of this. It's going to look sloppy. It won't be too bad. And I'm gonna split it. So this side we have it. Isn't that adorable? Okay, we're gonna cut out this inner flap so it doesn't, or we can just leave it. And we're gonna paint it but you guys have no idea what this is yet. Okay, so hold on. What do you guys think it is? It's a shoe organizer. So what you can do is you can put shoes on top of here, and 2 shoes, and then 2 pairs on here, 2 pairs on top. Or you can stack, or you can do many different ways of how you want your shoes. So I just showed you how to make simple, easy shoe organizer that anyone can make. Okay, next we're going to make something out of these flaps. Why not? After all, we do like flaps. So I'm gonna cut this so it has a little floor, and I'm gonna take my glue gun and plug it in so that we have plenty of power. Okay, that is gonna heat up pretty fast. So let's finish cutting out our pieces. So we'll need some sides of how I want this thing to be. I'll tell you at the end what exactly it is. So we have sides. We have to have the same exact size of the sides. Kind of rhymes. I'm gonna put that up there. There. Oh, measured out perfectly. that's good sequence. Okay, and next we're gonna be doing this. You have to measure it accurately. So this goes over there, and this goes over here. That's perfect. And this goes over here. That's perfect. And we need one more side for this. That's perfect. Now let's get this to equal size of the other ones. Okay, guys, I will spoil the surprise and tell you what we're making. We're making a piggy bank for little kids. So this is going to be a really cute bank. And that will work. That will work. So I'm going to have to trim that. That will work. That will not work. Okay, and trim a little fat off this baby. We're going to start gluing, so we're going to bring the project over here so I can reach the glue gun. Perfect. Oh yeah, the baby's heated up. sure we know our pieces are going. Okay, let's get glue. It's better dry. So hold it down while it dries against the cardboard. As you can see, it is drying. But very, very slow. Next, we're going to do our next piece. So over here, I'll have to trim this piece. I'm going to do the same exact thing for this piece. It's becoming to be really cute. Perfect. Okay, and our last piece is going on. We need to make a new roof too. Okay, gonna have to cut this short. There we go. Let's cut a roof really quickly. It should fit. Now we cut a slit for the pennies. So the slits on there, and we're gonna glue it on, but I don't have enough time because my video is running out of time, and that's what it's gonna look like, and we're gonna paint it. But after that, it's a cute little piggy bank for children, and we made our little shoe organizer. Thank you guys for watching our video. I hope you subscribe to our channel and have a good day. So bye!